Make a great choice today with the 2022 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads. Sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, power lift gate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.